Hello everyone! Join us today to bake a very easily sponge cake. Before I start, if you like the content of my channel, click on the subscribe button and ring a bell to be the first one to see my videos and become a member of my channel. White flour 1 measure, sugar powder 1 measure, eggs 6 pieces, vanilla half of the teaspoon, baking powder 1 teaspoon, boiling water half of the measure. Well, if you want to make your sponge cake and the gas like me, turn on the gas before anything and turn it down. Place a flame spreader on the gas flame and then place the pot you want to bake the cake on the flame spreader and close the lid. This would take about 30 minutes to create an oven-like atmosphere inside the pot. If you use an oven, turn on the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Now it's time to sift the flour. Prepare 2 containers and bring a basket or sieve. Add the baking powder to the flour. Now sift the flour and baking powder together 3 or 4 times. This will make your flour lighter and you will have a softer cake. Well, I take 2 dishes and separate the egg whites and yolks. I pour the yolks into a larger container because at the end all the ingredients are going to be added to the yolks. Don't worry if the yolks enter your whites. Finally, remove the yolks with a small spoon. In the next step, I start beating the egg whites with an electric mixer. until it becomes like cream and doesn't drip from the stir blades.
Put the beaten egg whites
in the refrigerator. Then start beating the yolks with a mixer. As the yolks get a little bigger and their color fades, I add sugar powder in 3 or 4 steps and mix them together. Until it becomes cream colored liquid. Now it's time to add vanilla powder. At this stage, you can also use grated orange peel or grated lemon peel. I start beating again to get a sticky cream color liquid. Now add boiling water to the mixture and beat with a mixer until the sugar is completely dissolved. Add boiling water to the mixture little by little, or if you add it to your mixture all at once like me, stir quickly. Bring the flour and baking powder that's sifted 4 times and add it to your mixture little by little. It's even better to bring the egg and add the flour to your mixture with a sieve. Slowly stir with the skimmer in a circular way. Finally, take the beaten egg whites out of the refrigerator and add them to the cake little by little and mix slowly so that the puff doesn't go away. No worries if there may be some white melt it on the bottom of the can. Add the melted egg whites to the mixture. I take the pot and pour a little oil on the bottom, and by shaking the pot, I lubricate the bottom. And pour the cake liquid into it. I quickly put the lid on the pot. Remember not to graze the wall of the pot at all because your cake will puff less. To make sure, try the cake for 40 minutes with a toothpick or a thin wooden skewer. If the cake ingredients don't stick to the wooden skewer or toothpick, it means that your cake is baked and ready. After the cake is ready, remove it from the gas or out of the oven and let the cake cool in the mold for about 30 minutes. After cooling, the cake will automatically separate from the walls of the pot. But to make sure, use a wooden skewer to pull it around and separate it from the mold with a few strokes, and then place it on something that your cake can breathe from below. As you can see, the cake has good elastic texture.
If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit like button or your good comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you later.